Okay, the fourth root of negative 256, because the fourth root is even, you can't take an even root and get a negative number. Can't happen. The sixth root of 1, what times itself 6 times is 1? It's 1. And the cubed root of 125, what times itself 3 times is 125? It's 5. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. For this problem here, last time we talked about the fourth root of 16. What times itself 4 times is 16? It's 2. And what times itself 4 times is x to the fourth? It's x. And we also talked about not being able to have a radical in the denominator. So here we have the fourth root of 3 in the denominator. Can't have that. So what you got to do is multiply the top and bottom by the fourth root of 3 a whole bunch of times. So you got to get 4 of them in there, right? So we're almost there. We got it. And we're going to end up having 4 of these in the bottom, okay? So fourth root of 3 times fourth root of 3 times fourth root of 3 times fourth root of 3. That's going to be the fourth root of 81, which equals 3. And yes, that number is always going to be that number in the denominator. And now we got to multiply 3 times 3 times 3, which is the fourth root of 27. Can't simplify that, so that's got to stay the same. But it's okay because it's on top. And what's the fourth root of x to the eighth? It's x squared, because x squared times itself 4 times is x to the eighth. Let's see. And this one, what's the cubed root of 40? What times itself 3 times is 40? Nothing, but you could simplify the cubed root of 8. The cubed root of 8 is 2, so that would go outside. And 8 times 5 is 40, so that 5 is going to stay inside. What's the cubed root of x to the 10th? You can't break down 10 evenly by 3, but you could do x to the 9th. The cubed root of x to the 9th is x to the 3rd. And then we still have 1 x to the 1st left. That's my simplified answer there. And then lastly, what's 4 to the 5 over 2 power? So that's the square root of 4 to the 5th. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 to the 5th is 32.